A decision by the FDA could impact some of the foods you eat. Red dye number 3 is banned, and that's raising some questions about what to look for on food labels. News Channel 9's Ellie Elkins with how concerned you should be about red dye number 3.
A new ban aiming to take the synthetic dye, red dye number 3, out of the food you buy.
From the studies and where they found their conclusion that red dye number 3 should be banned was found in a study with lab rats, specifically male lab rats, causing cancer in really high doses.
But there's no evidence of the dye causing cancer in humans.
Right now, it's considered generally recognized as safe, which is that stamp of approval from the FDA saying it's considered okay, but just don't have it in high amounts. So the banning of this, it's not going to change too much as far as our health risks, but might help with reducing some of the processing of the food that we have.
Food companies have until 2027 to remove the ingredient from their products, but until then, some items on store shelves still include the dye. So if you're planning on getting conversation hearts in time for Valentine's Day, you might want to check that ingredient list.
We eat with our eyes first, so they want food to taste good. We're often going to find this in highly processed foods. Think like snack cakes, like the Little Debbie bars, some of the candy that we might find now Valentine's Day time as well.
And it appears some places are getting the message. We had a hard time finding more than a couple of things in the grocery store containing red dye number 3. However, synthetic dye is still out there. We found a lot of foods with red 40, which isn't banned, but is also used in highly processed foods.
Being aware of what we're having, trying to choose minimally processed foods, choosing more whole foods, and really looking at that nutrition facts panel and the ingredients list is going to help you create more understanding of what you're having. Reaching out to a registered dietitian can also help you with this too, where we can translate that nutrition science into what's real life and applicable to you.
So when it comes to your diet, staying informed means staying healthy. In Syracuse, Ellie Elkins, News Channel 9.